Hey guys, it's George from Gaggia UK. Now in today's video, we're going to show you how to set up your Cadorna Milk coffee machine. But before we get into the setup, let's take a quick look around the machine. So on the front, on one side, you have the water tank, and on the other side, you have the dreg drawer. You have the capping cup system that can also be removed, and you can use it as a normal steam wand. In the middle, you have the adjustable brew head. At the bottom, we have the built-in espresso tray and the removable drip tray. And right at the top, in the center, you have the TFT screen with all the controls you'll need. On the side, we have the service door, which will reveal the removable brew group. And right at the top, we have the bean hopper with the pre-ground coffee chute. Now that we've taken a look around the machine, let's get into the setup. So the first thing you want to do is remove this sticker on the front of the TFT screen. Next, you'll want to connect your coffee machine to power, which you can do so by plugging it in at the back of the machine. After that, it will then ask you to select which language you want your coffee machine in. The machine will then ask you to add water into the water tank, and we also suggest at this point to put your coffee into the bean hopper. The machine will then ask you to place a container underneath the capping cup system and the adjustable brew head. This is because the machine is going to go into its priming cycle and water will come out. To activate the priming cycle, all you have to do is press the start-stop button in the corner of the TFT screen. In the next steps, the machine will then ask you to test the water hardness level with the strip provided. Once you've done that test, you'll then be able to select on the coffee machine the water hardness level in your area. The machine will then do its final rinse, and after that, it's set up and ready to use. If you'd like to find out more information about your Cadorna Milk coffee machine, or if you'd like to chat to one of our team members via Zoom, you can do so by heading to our website, gaggiadirect.com.